what is up? It is LC coming at you with another video. Today we're doing something that some of you might kind of, you know, say, what the heck are you doing? You're crazy. Others might not care, and then some, like me, have a secret desire to do this as well. I am going to be shaving my eyebrows. Okay, so this is something I have wanted to do for a while now. If you've watched my channel for any amount of time, you've probably seen me with a full face of nothing. So you know that I really don't have much eyebrows to begin with at all. It's really just, ooh, it's a sad thing. I wish I had fuller, bigger Instagram eyebrows on my own, but this is what I have on a day-to-day basis. I just fill in my eyebrows, go do what I gotta do, you know, and that's just how it is. It's fine, I've gotten used to it. It's really not that big a deal. So I finally just said, what's stopping me from just playing around a little bit? I also watched Jenna Marbles do it. That might be like 98% of the reason why I'm doing it, but we'll just, you know, Okay, so what I'm thinking about doing actually is taking them like halfway in or something. Most of my eyebrow is up in the front here, and it's where the tail that it kind of just pitters off. I know a lot of you are gonna say, just let them grow out. The problem is that from years and years of plucking, they just don't really, you know, it would take an immense amount of time to do that, and with my job, with what I do, it's kind of hard to work around that. So I don't know, you know what, just let me live my life, okay? I am going to take off the tail of my eyebrow, you know. See, I mean, that's not too bad. I can live with that. Guys, seriously though, like, look at how much eyebrow I have. There's really not much there to be mourning over. You know, it's not that big a deal. I feel like a lot of people see me and they think, oh no, you have eyebrows. No, don't do that. I don't, so I don't, you know, just shh. I have one of these little blade things that I use to kind of just clean up around them and stuff like that. And I'm just gonna take this and just shave it off. I feel like even though it's not much, it does kind of hinder certain things I wanna do. It's just a pain in the ass to get that eyebrow shape. I wanna be able to just do what I wanna do. And that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna see what can I do. Let's just do it, okay. Oh my God, I did it. See, you can't even tell the difference. You really can't though, honestly. I mean, okay, so basically before I go any further, I just want to mess around with this and see what we can do. I am going to do this side, but for right now, I just want to see, like, I just want to play. You know what I really want to do is I want those two lines. Oh, I love that look so much. Oh man, it's so good and it's so, oh, let's do it. You know, it's really weird because now I don't know how to do my tail. I literally just have a blank canvas because you can't really see where your eyebrow used to be. Oh, that looks so bad. Oh, why does it look so long? Like that? Oh, no. This is going beautifully. You know what I really want to do is those fishtail brows. Okay, all right. Okay, so I took off this side because I was just done with it, you know, and now we're gonna try to successfully do fishtail brows. So we're gonna start over here. Where does my tail go? Nobody knows. It looks so weird because it almost doesn't look different to me because I'm so used to, I mean, look at it. I haven't shaved this side yet. You see what I mean? It's not that much of a difference, but it is a little bit because it's like so smooth now. I mean, I feel like I can just do anything. Okay, wait, how do they work? This side needs to like go up. Okay, I think we've got that part down. I think it's almost there. Wait, whoa. Guys, you guys, I think I successfully created them. All right, I mean, that's like that. I am gonna take a picture, send it to my sister so she can see what, how life is going for me. I am, oh, yes. This is like, okay, I see, now I'm feeling better. I mean, that counts, right? That's a fishtail, but it's something, right? Oh yeah. Okay, so we're done with the fishtails. It's done, it's over. I mean, come on, whatever. We're gonna go ahead and finish with this eyebrow. I'm just gonna take off this. I mean, it's really just not even that bad once you do it. I think it's just because I don't have much eyebrows. Like, if you are somebody who doesn't really have much eyebrows either, I feel like you probably have the same thing as me where it's not it's not that big of a deal because it's not like there's much there anyways. I would never have done this when I first started learning how to do makeup and eyebrows and all that stuff because I wasn't good at it yet. I didn't know what I was doing yet. I still didn't have much eyebrows anyways. It's been years since I had beautiful bushy eyebrows. No, it's been years. So I wouldn't do it then, but now that I'm very comfortable in my makeup and my eyebrows and I'm okay with just doing whatever, it's almost a relief to just not care and just do it, you know? It's really like letting something go, letting that fear go of oh, you know? I'm not gonna lie though, there are some people that I know personally in my life that are gonna watch this video and be like, what, why? And you know what? To them, I know you're watching, I don't care. It's my life. Get over it. Okay, now I do have somewhere I have to be, so let's just play around some more and then we'll be done. This is not some elaborate video. This is just having fun, honestly. Makeup is not a serious thing. It is something that can be washed off at the end of the day, and things that go along with makeup are a part of your own body, just like people who get lip injections. I shave off half my eyebrows. I mean, it's all just, it's all in the same family, you know? We're just having fun here. We're changing our looks. We're doing what we want to do to make ourselves feel good, and that is what matters. And if this is what makes me feel good, then that should be fine, and you do what makes you feel good, because you know what? Ain't nobody gonna stand in your way unless you let them. I am really just, this is beautiful. This is wonderful. I am so about it right now. Wait, okay, wait. Okay, wait, I have some dip brow. I wanna make this brow a little bit stronger. I really wanna see what this is. Ooh, that is something. You see that? I mean, ooh. I mean, I like it. I feel like it's a very strong, very pronounced brow. I feel like I want to just experience playing around with my brows more. They're one of the things I'm most self-conscious about. I'm so nervous of people knowing that they look fake or knowing like that I don't have any. And I've kind of gotten to a point in my life where I don't care. Like, what does it matter, you know? Like, what does it matter if they know that I draw them on? Or what does it matter if they know that I don't have any? I don't understand when that got into my head, but I want it out of my head. And this is a process of that, okay? I don't know what this is, but hey, it looks pretty cool. You've got to admit, it's got something about it. But what I'd really like to do is practice my regular brows, like a regular tail, how it's gonna go, because honestly, it does feel a little different, like how I outline and where I usually follow the hair. Now it's like, well, it kind of just stops. If you're interested, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do a serious brow video, I promise. If you want to see it, just let me know. What I'm thinking is kind of just bringing it up a little bit more, because my brows naturally are so straight, and I just really want that nice thick arched brow. I love that look. I know some people don't, but come on. I used to use eyeliner. I would get eyeliner pencils and just friggin' go ham, because I didn't know that there was such thing as an eyebrow pencil. All right, so that is about it for my natural brow. It was actually surprisingly more easy than I thought it would be. I know I already said that, but it really was. I feel like you hype yourself up thinking you need some sort of outline, but really you can just work with your imagination, especially if you've been doing eyebrows for a long time. You've got it in your head. You know how to do it, so it's not that bad. And I actually think it looks a lot cleaner, and it just kind of looks more how I want it to look. My sister texted back and said that I should just shave them all off. Maybe someday I will. Not right now, but maybe someday I will. This is a very tiny step into this world of not worrying so much about what people think. I'm happy. I'm excited. I like it. It's cool. I can't wait to just keep doing more and just get thicker and thicker until it's just my forehead. That's ideal, right? Anyways, I really hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And yeah, until next time, stay flawless, guys.